my boy, Blue! You're my boy. Before I get to it, I need some eats. Gotta start the day off right. To work on this thing. Need to go return this fuel line I ordered. It's supposed to be 5/8, quarter inch. Waited a week. Got that wrong fuel line returned. They were helpful. Thank you, Advance. I used to work at an Advance back in the day. I like sweet tea, and when you can get 44 ounces for $1, that's a deal. That's what I'm talking about. That'll get me through the day. The plan was to finish with the fuel system. I can't do that now. So I'll move on to the wiring and come back. I'm gonna reuse the old tail light connectors, the 6-prong. So I'll need to pull the old tabs out and take a small enough screwdriver and pry underneath and then push. It comes right out. That there needs to get pushed down. Then I can crimp the new wires to the new terminals and put them in. The rear harness is a little more tamed and cut to length. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. Make it look even better. That looks more better. They actually like they're under control a little bit. Fuel pump harness is done. Ready to plug in. The ground's already included. I had a 20-foot roll of some 14 gauge I added to it. I'll put them here. 4 seems a little excessive, but I think it'll work, and if it doesn't, then I'll just split them. feel the bolt in the back side. It went all the way through. So that should be okay. If not, there's nothing to change. The side markers aren't wired in because I plan on deleting those. Alright, well, I'll get the actual tail lights together and get this rear harness finished up. I need to figure out which slot is for the turn signals and if that red and black one's used. But the Great Hunger is coming upon me, so I need a feed too. After looking at about 25 different diagrams and schematics, I found something that finally makes sense. This was the closest to my taillights that I found. And I drew my own little diagram to guide myself. From top left to right, it'll be turn signal, tail light, reverse. Bottom left will be the brake light. The middle's blank, and the bottom right is the ground. I had a little bag of terminals. Jinx, where do you put my terminals? You're supposed to be watching that. Did you find them? Alright, found them. Alright, about 9 more times. That's pretty much it for the rear harness, minus the speakers, or speaker wires. And that'll come when I start putting the interior back together. This is my first time rewiring a car and I'm kind of proud of myself. Throw the carpet back in for now. Before I put the rear panels back in, I need to finish the fuel hose situation and the EVAP tank. But I got the wrong size hose in, so now I gotta wait another week before I get the correct sizes. The tape I use to wrap the harness is a 3M friction. But when I'm out of this, I'm gonna start using the Tessa tape. Only reason why I've been using this is I bought 2 cases of it, and Home Depot stocks it on the shelf.